Okay, so you need to keep in mind few things. You have logged in with your GitHub account. So now as you can see, I have already logged in with my GitHub account. So if you have not logged in with your account, so definitely when you activate the extensions or the plugin, so the plugin or the IDE always ask you, please you have to log in with your GitHub account. Okay, so now if you go to the extensions here, as you can see, by using the VS Code and find Copilot. Okay, so this is the Copilot extensions. Just click on this one, and here as you can see they also have the Copilot chat. So I have already activated this extensions, as you can see are already activated. So once you have activated the account, and if you are not logged in with your GitHub account, so pop-up appears here, and it will tell you that you have to log in with your GitHub account to proper use the Copilot. So once you have everything fine, then an icon, so as you can see this is the icon, Copilot icon appears here. So just click on this one, as you can see it's saying status is ready. GitHub Copilot chat working. You can also set the uh, keyboard shortcuts and also the commands. So here and now, as you can see, show diagnostic, and also view Copilot documentations. You can also view some other kind of things. Okay, so now since the Copilot is working fine here,